Dear natural cosmetics formulators, I am Dr. Enrique Alia, and today we are going to describe an ingredient with moisturizing, nourishing, and protective action for the skin. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is extracted from the seeds of the Theobroma cacao, a tree native to tropical America. It is extracted from its seeds after a careful process of fermentation, drying, and pressing. It is a yellowish semi-solid with a chocolate aroma. It melts at body temperature, making it perfect for creams and balms. It contains a series of fatty acids that form a non-bothersome layer on the skin with intense moisturizing, nourishing, regenerating, and protective action. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants beneficial against premature skin aging. It is usually used in very varied concentrations, but they typically range from 5 to 30%. Even in lipsticks, higher concentrations can be used. How it is used in natural cosmetics. In facial and body creams, it is used for dry and damaged skin. In lip balms as a moisturizer and repairer. In ointments and salves, it is ideal for sensitive or irritated skin. Also, cocoa butter gives consistency along with white beeswax to lipsticks and facial bars. An example of a formulation for a body moisturizing cream with cocoa butter could be the following using the Olivem 1000 base. Olivem 1000 6 grams, cocoa butter 10 grams, glycerin 5 grams, vitamin E in its form of alpha-tocopherol acetate 0.5 grams, Coscard 1 gram, and distilled water 77.5 grams. The method of preparation would be as follows. In a beaker, we place the Olivem 1000 and the cocoa butter. This would be the oily phase of our emulsion. In another beaker, we place the water and dissolve the glycerin. This would be our aqueous phase. We heat both phases separately in a water bath at 80 degrees Celsius. Once the oily phase is melted, we remove both from the bath and add the aqueous phase to the oily phase in small portions, stirring until room temperature. Finally, we add the vitamin E and the Cosgard, which is the preservative, stirring until homogeneous. Our emulsion would now be ready. Well, that's all for today. I hope this video helps you make your natural cosmetics formulations with cocoa butter. You can subscribe to my channel to receive updates by clicking subscribe. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.